Why do 90% of wellness enthusiasts swear by chakra balancing? It's all about realigning your inner energy. Join Marcus Christolight for an enriching Solar Plexus Chakra Empowerment Flowshop. This June 9th at precisely 1:11 p.m. EST, dive deep into the world of chakra healing, right from the comfort of your home. What's the Solar Plexus Chakra, you ask? It's your energy center located around your stomach area, crucial for confidence and personal power. Are you feeling blocked or unbalanced? Marcus will guide you through identifying these blocks and teach you how to achieve harmony using crystals, specific foods, and even the power of journaling. Plus, you'll experience a spiritually uplifting guided meditation. Whether you're a seasoned wellness enthusiast or just starting your journey, this donation-based sacred space on Zoom is your gateway to transformation. Sign up today at sacredlight33.as.me and feel free to DM us with any questions. Empower your core, balance your life. See you there.